Learn to accept your tank just the way it isn't. The aquarium does what the aquarium does, and that is exactly what it's supposed to do. When you understand this, it will bring you new power to enjoy your tank. For example, one fish doesn't get along with another one, so watch and enjoy this nature interaction until you believe the life of the weaker fish is in danger. Then remove one of the fish to another aquarium. But don't resent the fish as if that wasn't supposed to happen, because exactly what happened is exactly what is supposed to happen. You are meant to watch and enjoy every interaction in your aquarium, not just the nice ones. Do you think that some fish don't get along in the wild? Of course they don't. You will never control your aquarium, but you will have control over it. Too many times people have come to me and said that over the last year one fish has killed off all the other fish in their tank. Remembering that you do have control over your tank, at this point it would be a good idea to possibly move this fish to another tank once it has killed the second fish and saved all the other fish. Your observation and action are the key to a thriving tank. Never forget that you bought your aquarium to watch it, so watch it. Watch what happens, enjoy what happens. Be alert to what happens and use your control over it. I would like to suggest that more problems that occur in your aquarium could be avoided by learning the rules of how to keep aquarium and using your control over what you see happening. You have some control over your aquarium, but you will never control it completely, so expect this and enjoy it. It is your job to create the possibility of your aquarium thriving. If your aquarium is not the way you want it, create the possibility that it will be great and give it time to show you the results. The way to create a new possibility with your aquarium is to start doing something new, which will allow something new to show up, remembering that when you make a change today, you can often expect to see the change show up next month. Thriving aquariums are often the results of patience. Most chemical or biological changes in your aquarium take about 3 weeks to really make a difference. Imagine, visualize and plan your perfect aquarium before you start. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So many people walk into an aquarium shop because they would like a new fish without any idea of what type of fish they are looking for. They will ask the staff of duty how this fish will go with the new fish they are able to name in their tank. As you can imagine, sometimes this works and other times it doesn't. Creating a plan for your tank, including a fish list, is a very good idea. This way you are able to show your fish list to many aquarists before you start buying your fish and learning the hard way which fish don't often work together. Imagining, visualizing and planning your tank is the best way to make sure that your tanks turn out with the best results. Taking responsibility for what it will be will ensure you don't have to focus on what it is. What it is a product of what you did in the past. Learn that there is no else to blame but you, why your aquarium is not thriving, and I don't mean just surviving. Never blame the people that give you advice. They are only trying to help, and next time they may help. An advice only you able to understand the happening of your tank, so don't get angry at the guy at the aquarium store that has tried to help you in a few minute conversation when what he has said didn't work out. Learn your aquarium yourself and remember that whatever happens to it, this time was supposed to happen. And each incident will carry lessons to help you grow as an experienced fish keeper. Good experience is often born out of bad experiences. Never give in and keep seeking the best advice. Keeping an aquarium is a game, play the game. You need a vision with the result to make it worth playing the game. No matter what happens, don't forget that it is just a game, and one that if you lose the game you didn't play it well enough, and you can always play again and win next time. When playing a game, you often need a good coach, so it can be important to seek out and create a relationship with a good aquarium advisor that can help you win the game of keeping a thrilling aquarium. Ask around, because you will find this person and your relationship with them will bloom as they get to contribute to and share it in adventures of your thrilling aquarium. If you are not an aquarium expert, it is as important to have an aquarium coach as it is have a mechanic for your car.